Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Keurig and adding water so the machine can prime immediately. This reduces wasted cycles. Once powered, fill the reservoir to the fill line with fresh water and close the lid to avoid air pockets. Make sure the K-cup cradle and needles are clear of debris so the brew flow is consistent. A clogged needle causes weak or absent brews. Now grab a fresh K-cup and position it. You're ready to choose brew size and move to the next step. You place the K-cup into the cradle with the foil top up and close the handle until it clicks. This punctures the seal and aligns the needles for extraction, which is critical for even flow. Next, select the brew size that matches your cup. Larger sizes disperse water longer through grounds, which changes strength. Press the brew button and listen for the pump and heating cycle. Once the lights stabilize and pouring stops, the extraction is done. Lift the lid carefully. You finish by discarding the used K-cup and cleaning the drip tray and exterior to prevent buildup. That keeps flavors pure and parts functioning. Every few months, descale with the recommended solution to remove mineral deposits. This preserves pump life and heating efficiency. If the machine fails to brew, first confirm the reservoir is seated and full, then clean the exit and entry needles and run a water-only cycle. That simple rinse resolves most flow issues and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.